यमुना माई की जय।
प्रमाण बिहारी लाल की जय। Now we are in Brahman Jat. Brahman means what? Brahman, cosmic manifestation, the whole world, the whole material universe, Brahman. So, one time, Krishna, he saw the 4 boys together with Balaram. They are on the top of the tree and they are taking some fruits. And Krishna wanted to join. Then Balaram told him, "You are still small, you cannot climb the tree." But Krishna insisted, I want to join, I want to climb, I want to also collect fruits. Okay, you just stay down, we will all climb and we will throw the fruits to you and you catch it and you just keep it. Okay? Then, when after gathering all the fruits, we will all go down and distribute it equally. And Krishna. G. Okay. So, now they started taking the fruits and Krishna is catching all the fruits they have taken. Then, one coward boy, when he accidentally looked down, he saw Krishna eating the fruits. Then he told Balaramji, "Hey, Bhaiya, look, Krishna was eating all the fruits." Then Balaramji became angry, so they get down on the tree. "Hey, why are you eating the fruits?" "No, I am not eating." "Nah, I saw you, you are eating." We will tell Yashoda Maya, "You are eating dirt." So they went to Yashoda Maya. "Oh, Krishna, he is eating dirt. He eats all the dirt and mud." Then Yashoda Maya went to Krishna. She chastised, "Why are you eating that, Lala? Why are you eating that? You open your mouth. You open your mouth." Then Lala, he doesn't want to open his mouth because he will be he would be like caught that he have eaten all the fruits. "You open your mouth, you open your mouth. They said you are eating dirt. Why are you eating dirt? Are you hungry? We have so much butter and yogurt here. Why you just come and eat? You open your mouth." Okay, so mothers, then Krishna finally decided to open his mouth. So when Krishna opened his mouth, Mother Yashoda saw all the universal manifestations. He saw all the 3 planetal systems. Then he saw the planet Earth, Brajabhumi. Then in Brajabhumi, he saw Vrindavan. Then in Vrindavan, she saw the Nanda Bhavan. Then in the courtyard of Nanda Bhavan, she saw herself with Krishna. And inside Krishna's mouth, she saw again all the universal manifestation. And again inside, she saw again everything. So Mother Yashoda was thinking, "Oh, what is happening to me? Maybe I am like hallucinating. I have a headache." So Yashoda Maya couldn't believe what he saw inside Krishna's mouth. So she was thinking that maybe it was a trick of the demigods or some mystic yogi. So again, she was worried that Krishna might be being possessed by some bad spirit or demon. Okay, so one time, Mother Yashoda, okay, now, but actually, it is also true that Krishna ate some dirt, no? Because when the fruits fall on the ground, the fruits would be covered by dirt. That's why the dirt will also mix with the fruit. You see, outside it's not a ladu. What they're selling is not a ladu. That is mad from this area. They make a ladu because this is whatever is around here is Mahaprasad because Krishna have partake some mud and dirt. So you can see they are selling. It is only made of mud and dirt. So that's why they are selling at Mahaprasad. So now, Mother Yashoda, she was always worried because Krishna is being like attacked by the demons. So many things are happening. He is always disturbed. So one time, when Mother Yashoda when she was attending his morning duties, she went to Yamuna. Yamuna is here, you see? Yamuna is flowing right beside the Gokul. This is Mahaban. This is one of the 12 forests in Vrindavan, Mahaban. And Gokul is located here. So, this is also part of the courtyard of Nanda Maharaj, Nanda Baba. We are already nearby the kingdom, the palace of Nanda Maharaj in Gokul. So, one time, Mother Yashoda, she went to Yamuna to take bath. Then, she just sat there. She was thinking very deep. She was worried, no? Then one sadhu came, like a yogi, a Naga Baba. Actually, it was Shiva. He disguised himself as a sadhu. Then he asked Mother Yashoda, "Are Maya, why are you worried? Why are you sad?" Then Mother Yashoda said, "Because my Lala, he is always being attacked by demons. And just the other day, I think he was possessed by a bad spirit. Okay, to take away all your chinta. Chinta means worries. This Baba gave Maya a Shiva Linga. You worship this Shiva Linga and it will take away all your worries. That's why it's called Chinta Haran. The one who takes away all the worries. Hara, hara. Hara means to steal, to take away, like hare, hara. Krishna will steal our hearts, the one who steals our hearts. So, saying Chinta Haran, they will drive away all the worries. So, we just have taken darshan of the Chinta Haran Mahadev, no? We saw the Shiva Linga. Actually, if you come close to the Shiva Linga, that Shiva Linga, there is also 1,000 Shiva Linga inside of it. Yeah, it was sculpted, no? If you come closer, you will see small Shiva Linga around. Total of 1,000. So that is a special Shiva Linga. Then we have a darshan of Dauji, no, Dauji Mandir. So this Dauji Mandir, that is it is mentioned that is the largest Balaram deity here in Braj, the whole Braj. And you know who established that murti? It is originally established by Vajranabh, the great grandson of Krishna, some 5,000 years ago. So that is one of the original deities. Actually, he established the main 16 murti. So 4 of the murtis are Dev. Keshav Dev, it is in Mathura, but now it was stolen, so they don't know where it was. Maybe somewhere in UP. So Keshav Dev, then we have Hari Dev. Hari Dev, where is Hari Dev? Now he is in Govardhan, but the original Hari Dev is also somewhere. Then we have Govinda Dev. Govinda Dev originally residing in Vrindavan, but now he is in Jaipur, the Murti of Rupa Goswami. And another Dev, last one, Baladev, Balaramji. So there are 4 Dev. Remember that, 16 Murti. Then there are after Dev, there are 2 Gopal. Madan Gopal, the Madan Mohan. And Saksi Gopal. No, Saksi Gopal is not included. 2 Gopal, Madan Gopal, and where's another Gopal? Later on, we will remember. Then we have Nath, 2 Nath, Gopinath and Srinath Ji. Srinath Ji now in Natadwar in Rajasthan. And Gopinath Original Gopinath deity is in Jaipur. Okay. So, and four Devi. There are 4 Devi. Yoga Maya Devi, Vinda Devi, and there are also another 2 Devi. Okay? 4 Devi, 4 Dev, 2 Gopal, and 2 Nath. How many? 4, 8, 12, and
14.
What are the others? Okay, never mind. We will remember after. So, this Murti of Baldev is personally established by Balsaranap. Huh? And after some time, it was, it disappeared. Because during the Mughal attack, they hide it in one kunda. And it was forgotten when the time goes on. So now nobody knows. 100 years ago, nobody knows where it was. Then Balram appeared on the dream of one Goswami here in that place in Baldeyo. He told, I am buried underneath the Kishore Kund, Shir Sagar Kund, the Sankarshan Kund. So he told that Goswamiji that he is under. Now he was under the water. So now they started the digging up. Then they found the big Murti of Balaramji. Huh? So now again they started doing Abhishek because they finally found. You know what they do? They brought so many volumes of milk. They bathed the Murti of Balaramji with milk. That's why it's called Shir Sagar. Shir Sagar means milk, like a lake of milk. Then they reestablish again the worship of Baldev. Then you will ask why Balaram is black? Huh? Balaram becomes black because he was absorbed of thinking of Krishna. So he manifested the blackish form of Krishna. Same thing like now in Imlital, Krishna became yellowish, golden, because Krishna was absorbed in thinking of Radharani. He was chanting the names of Radha. No? Same thing with Baldev. That's why some of the Murtis here of Balaram are black. That is the reason, because Balaram always wanted to serve Krishna. He always thinks of Krishna, how to protect Krishna, how to serve Krishna. So Balaram possesses all the different rasas. All the rasas, Balaram is engaging in that position. Okay, so we have given all the 3 katha because on Baldeyo and Sintaharan we did not mention that story. So now after Brahmangat, we will go to Raman Reti, then we will go to Ukalban. Ukalban, that is the pastime place of Damodar.
Jai.
Of Yashoda Damodar.
Actual place.
Then there is also Nanda Bhavan, but we will check if we can manage to navigate. We will try. Okay. Brahman Bihari Lal ki Jai. Okay, another trivia. So this ghat is Brahman Ghat, Yamuna. We are in Yamuna. So I remember I sent you one video of Prabhupada taking bath. This is that spot. That video of Prabhupada where he was taking bath in Yamuna. This is the exact spot. This is where they take bath with Prabhupada. So this Brahman Ghat.
प्रभुपाद जी यहाँ बैठे भजन किया पुराना घाट में बहुत कई सालों पहले
ठीक है
इधर को बैठा था
जय ब्रह्मन बिहारी लाल की जय बलदेव की जय राम भैया की जय चिंताहरण महादेव की जय यमुना भैया की जय जय हो जय हो जय आराम से चिंता मत करो
अभी अभी
हाँ अभी
ठीक है जो मैंने अपना 11 ब्राह्मण रहता
चिंता मत करो मीन्स चिंता डोंट वरी चिंता चिंता मत करो wag ka mag-alala don't worry चिंताहारान महादेव
Chintamani.
चिंतामणि
चिंतामणि भी चिंता हारा
चिंतामणि
वो हरने वाले
चिंतामणि means like a jewel touchstone money means jewel
देख लो उसका ये विदेशी है इनकी सभ्यता और देखो इनकी सभ्यता देख लो
हाँ ठीक है हो गया
अंग्रेज कब आ गए और देखो ये हिंदुस्तानी
जो रमाज रहती
बोल दिया है इनको तीन अब बताओ कैसे गुलाम में देखो
Prabhupada Ghat. That is my spot where, yes, Jan. This is where Prabhupada took bath here in Yamuna, down there. Yes, remember the video.